Hi, my name is Saurabh Sengupta and I'm the founder of Cities and One Solutions. And today I'll be showing you that you can invite a lot of friends in your party, like whether it's a birthday party or it's a thread ceremony party or whatever party you have. Now when you have a lot of friends, now don't you think that it will be very interesting and fun if you conduct a multiple choice quiz where your friends or relatives can go through this online method where you can have one correct answer and the other will be obviously the wrong answer, maybe out of 4. And I'll be showing you the demo. And definitely after the quiz, the result will be declared instantaneously. So please keep watching and remember, this will be on online. Okay? This is the main screen where the user will be seeing on his mobile phone, okay, by going to a particular address, that is the URL. Now maybe this will be let Amrita's friend, maybe Ratan, one of our friend is Ratan. Now she will first register, so you can clicking on the login button, you can have that start the quiz now started. You can see that logged in as Ratan. Now when Anamika was born, maybe let me say I am Ratan, like select an option. So let me click on Malda. So then I'm clicking on the submit. Then where she did her schooling, select an option. So let me click on Malda High School. Now when Anamika was married, let me go to 2012. Okay, I'm clicking on this. So this is only for 4 questions. What is Anamika's favorite fruit? Now Kosha Mangshu. Now I click on submit. This is the last question, so I can see that this is result. Oh, remark Shiva's correct answer is Howrah. So that is an incorrect. So you can see that school is correct, Malda High School. Then this one is also correct. And you can see what is Anamika's favorite food. This is also correct. Now let me go to the results page. Now how much Ratan scored? You can see that Ratan scored total score is 3. Definitely 4 question. 1 is out and no answer. That means he has attempted all the answer. And the second comes the Rupam. So I think her boyfriend has scored much better than her girl and her girlfriend. Okay. So here in this way you can customize anything and you can get the desired result. So I think this will be a wonderful product for any event management people. Thanks for watching.